Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make these detachable shoe clips. Now I'll show you how to make this shoe clip. My pattern is 18 centimeters by 13 centimeters and I'm using velvet fabric to make my shoe clip. It looks like that, and the velvet side will be inside. I'm folding this pattern like that and I'll sew there, and then I will leave middle open. Now I'll sew this pattern. I'm sewing 5mm from the edge. Cutting all excess thread off. Next I will use this opening there and I'll reverse my pattern to the right side. I'm using a pin to sharpen corners on this pattern. Next I'll hand sew this pattern opening there. And here's my finished pattern piece. I'll create a bow like that one. I'm folding this pattern piece in half like that, and I'm pleating 3 pleats in the center of this pattern piece on one side and other side, and it looks like that. Next I'm sewing that center together so the pleats are nice and secure, and my bow is prepared now. Next I'm opening up this metal shoe clip. It looks like that. And I will be sewing this shoe clip on top of this felt fabric piece. My metal shoe clip is prepared now. Next I will attach this embellishment on the center of the bow there. I'm using velvet ribbon which is 1 centimeter wide, and I'm putting that ribbon through that embellishment like that. Applying hot glue at the back of the bow there, and I'm gluing one edge of this velvet ribbon at the back there. Placing that embellishment in the middle of this bow. Cutting end of this ribbon and I'm gluing down that ribbon edge at the back there, like that. Next I will glue this metal shoe clip at the back of the bow. I'm applying hot glue on this felt fabric piece back there, and I'm gluing this felt fabric piece at the back of this bow, pressing it down quite hard so it sticks well. Closing my shoe clip, and my shoe clip is finished. Now I'll attach these detachable shoe clip bows on my shoes. If you have any questions how I made these detachable shoe clips, please comment down below in a comment box. Also, I can use these shoe clips as a hair bow simply by adding this hair pin to the back of this shoe clip and pinning that on the hair, like that. Also, I can use this shoe clip as a bow tie simply by clipping it on a shirt collar, like that. I will add all materials which I used to create these bow shoe clips on a description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time. Love, Anita.